Good afternoon. I wanted to go ahead and write it today because I had a lot to say, and then we will fix it and see if we can read it. Let's first look for our popcorn words. Alrighty, and here we go. Dear is the first one. Please sing with me. Dear Mom, D-E-A-R, dear. Good job. Next we go to two. Two is written with a T and then an O. Two. We go on down and I. I is a word with one letter. In. I then N. Can you spell in again? I then N. Can. Oh, I forgot the A. A says A or the. One of our first ones, T-H-E. I can spell the T-H-E. Here we have another I. Here we have the word you. Y-O-U spells Y-O-U spells utililoo. Utililoo. Okay, and next we have will. Oh, will you is W-I-L-L. Will you is W-I-L-L. Will you ever learn to read and spell, children? Yes, you will. I know you will. We have like. I like you, you like me. Okay, and it. It is written with an I and then a T. That's not right. That's not the right tune, is it? It's a flea. It is written with an I and then a T. Let's go with I. I is a word with one letter. Will. Oh, will you is W. Very fast. You. Y-O-U spells Y-O-U spells. Who is one of our new ones. And I don't know that you know it yet, but it goes W-H-O, who, W-H-O, who. And then look is a popcorn word, and I don't remember the song. Can you remember the song? In. I then N. Can you spell in again? I then N. Can you spell in again? There's I. And then this. This is spelled T-H-I-S. This is spelled T-H-I-S. This dog made a stinky mess. Another two hiding inside of this tomorrow word. Two is written with a T and then an O. Two. And love. We had so many words today, I wanted to go ahead and do them so that we could have time to do our chunks because there's quite a few today. And we're running out of time. So we will start with our first chunk is in the E and the A, and I'm going to ask kids to tell us what the rule is. Ethan, what's the rule for E and A? Say it with us, please. When two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking and the second one is silent. Next. Ooh, thunder this afternoon. Tinley. The next one is R. Tell me the rule. A-R says R, like a pirate. Good job. Next one is Mia. When we see I-E-S, what does that mean? Right, a bunch of E's. It's like E's, a bunch of E's. Next, we have Lily. What's the rule for EY and AY? They say A like in apron. Good. Hunter, what's the rule for the CVC words? Consonant, vowel, consonant. The vowel is short. Good. Okay, Xander, EW and UE say what? Ooh, like in boo. Good job. Let me get my ghost up there. All right. Next I have Lucy. Lucy, OO says ooh or in this case, let's see, ba-ook, book, or ba-ook, book. Right. I'm going to make like the strong man's, he's bending, they're so heavy. And Riley, tell me the rule for two vowels. When two vowels go a-walking, the first one does the talking and the second one is silent. Good job. Here's one we don't see very often. Tristan, this INK, it says ink, right, and I'm going to make a little bottle of ink here. I don't know if you can tell what it is, but that's my little bottle of ink. Okay, and everybody goes back in the basket for round 2. Let's see what we have. Mia. Okay, now this one right here, we don't have the two sounds of the same consonant, so we're going to mark one of those out, which would make this a consonant, vowel, consonant. What's the rule, Mia? Good. The vowel is short. Okay? And Tinley. We have the same situation over here because this is a digraph. So that's going to make one sound, then a vowel, then another consonant. So this will follow the same consonant, vowel, consonant rule because there's only one sound there. And what is that rule? Right, the vowel is short. Good. Next we have Ethan. Ethan, take a look over here. What do we have? A bossy E. Tell me the rule, please. The bossy E jumps over the consonant and says, hey vowel, say your long sound. And the bossy E is silent. Good job. And Lucy. Oh, here, you're right. There's an OO right there. Okay, here's an OO right here. And looked or looked. It is a popcorn word, but it also follows the same rule here. Some of them do. And Hunter, a bossy E and the like jumps over that K and tells the I to say its long sound. Right. Who is this? Lily. Right, when we have two consonants that are the same, we don't say both sounds. We just say the one sound. Good job. Lucy. What do you see? OW. In this case, this OW says O. It is one of the, it doesn't say ow. It says O, like a long O. Let me make that here. And it's not one of our making the right sounds that our chunks say, but that is what that one is. Next we're going to go with blends. Then we'll do digraphs, then we may have time to get our whole message read today. We go along here, clap when we get to a blend. Good, do that blend please. S, m, sma, sma, sma. Keep going and look for another blend. Is that a blend? Nope, digraph, you're right. A blend is when we can hear both of those consonants. Oh, and down here on my name, we have the blend s, m, sma, sma, sma. Okay, next I'm going to go with digraphs. And I want to point out a first grade chunk. WR together, we don't really hear that W, so I'm going to go ahead and mark that out so when we figure out what this word is, we'll be able to read it. That's a first grade chunk that we haven't learned yet, but I'll go ahead and put it in for us. Next we're looking for digraphs. Remember digraphs, we don't hear both of the sounds. It's when two consonants go together and make a brand new sound. So when we're going along, no. When we find one, give me a clap so I know to stop. Good. Know to stop. TH says or so I'm going to put a tongue up here. Alright, there's my picture of a tongue. There's another TH. TH says or and my question is, are you sticking your tongue out at your teacher? It's the only time you get to. Ooh, good. WH says wha, wha. Another one. WH says wha, wha. It's almost like they're flipped, like you hear the HW instead. So we'll put that over here. HW, HW. Another one. You are just determined to stick your tongue out at me today. Or okay, I think we're ready except for punctuation. And I do not know where my punctuation purple is. So I'm going to do it with orange today because I think I pulled it out for something else. When you see a punctuation mark, that is a comma. Good. And it tells us to pause. Good job. We go along and up. There's another one. I hear the thunder outside today. It tells us to pause, and its name is a comma. We go along. Is this the end? It is not the end of our sentence. Our sentence goes on to the next row. There is a period, and it tells us to stop, and don't forget the uppercase next. So let's see, did we? We did remember it. We go along. We find, oh, another period. Don't forget the uppercase next. Okay, let's see. No punctuation there. Oh, there's another one, a comma. A comma tells us to pause. We pause in our talking when we're reading this, or when we're reading, and there is a period that tells us to stop. Don't forget the uppercase next. Down here at our ending or closing, after our closing word, in this case love, we have a comma. It tells us to pause, and Mrs. Smolak has an abbreviation period. We're going to do another video to show and read the final message, and so I'm going to do that one next because I'm running out of time. I only have 15 seconds, and I want you to hear what this says. Alrighty.